Hello dear traders. For today I decided to cover gold market. I will speak about the USD versus Japanese yen and about the Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the gold market first. So what I found basically on the gold market is that the price is respecting the rising trend line. If you check here in my daily chart, I gathered this swing low with this swing low, and projection was right there where the price stopped around 1780, 1785. And as you can see here today, we're trying to build higher low based on the previous day. We're already having this higher low. Now it's just about, from my perspective, this is a great and important pivot level where we also had a massive point of control from 1786. So based on what I'm seeing today in the last 2 days, I see basically there is a stopping activity here which can lead gold market at least back towards a 5-day average, which is sitting around 1804. I can also see this area of supply around 1812. That's something minimum. If you see the rate of change is flipping up, even started yesterday, but today is the second day that we're trying to flip to the upside. So all of the conditions is pretty much there. Rising trend lines, different supports, higher low, rate of change. So it's definitely my advice to watch for buying opportunities on the pullbacks on the gold. On the USD versus Japanese yen is actually opposite. We had a 3 up days. So if you check, we got this 1, 2, 3 up days, right? We had a 3 up days, low to high, and today we are building, we're trying to build a lower high. I suppose there is a potential for price to back at least towards a 114 and 92, which is also a 5-day average, but maybe even more down, like to 114.83 or 114.50 level. So watch for a downside opportunities, and for some rotation back at least towards this 5-day average line. And the last one I want to cover is a Bitcoin versus US dollar. We're still building that rate of change. There is that bullish divergence there. We're building the higher lows. We already got a higher high, so it seems like the Bitcoin wants to retest at least this pivot high at 59, let's say 60,000 mark. So I expect there is a potential for that 60,000 mark. And then we will see after that what will happen. But for now, it seems like we're finding the bottoming process here. Rate of change is building, a divergence, momentum divergence, and stuff like that. So I expect like eventual 60,000 to be on the test again. That will be all for today. I wish you a good day. Trade safe as always, and see you all tomorrow morning.